Welcome to my very first tutorial of 2019! I can't believe that it's already 2019 and I'm super excited for this new year because I know it's going to be great. Hopefully your 2019 has been spectacular so far. I'm going to start out my very first video of 2019 with a tutorial over Apink's new song called So is like percent, I believe, in Korean. So I will be teaching you guys how to dance to the chorus part today. So we're starting out 2019 with a little different formatting. I'm going to do 2 videos for every tutorial. So I'm going to split up my videos as for explanation part in one section, and then I will do another video for the slowed down version, the 75% speed and 100% speed. If you guys just want to go ahead and jump into that, go ahead and click right there, I believe. Go ahead and click there. And if not, go ahead and stay on this video. And once you are ready to go to the 75% speed, 100% speed, then you can click in the link in the description box below, or I will have it on the sides at the end. So go ahead and let's jump right into this video. So don't forget, as per usual, this video is mirrored, and let's get started. First, we're gonna start out this video with this a little jump kind of, where we are going to bring our left arm back behind our head and our right, and I'm just kind of like touching like near the end, almost like touching my foot, just touching right here, my ankle. You do wherever you want, but I'm going to kind of do a jump, and then once I land and have my right foot out in front of me, I'm going to shift my left hand from up behind my head down to my chest. Now once you've done the jump down, we are going to turn counterclockwise this way, and once you're facing to the right, you're going to do a little jump again. Now lifting up your left foot, so the one closest to the camera right now. Here, we're gonna jump and we're gonna bring it out in front of us, and we're gonna have our right hand on our chest and left arm out like this. All right, and then we're gonna do a little shimmy, come 1, 2 with our shoulders. All right, so let's start from the beginning. We come up, down, do a turn, here, down, shimmy, shimmy. Now, once we've done the shimmy, shimmy, we're gonna do another kick, bring our hands back, down, and we're gonna kick with our right leg. All right, so we just come, kick down, we're gonna bring it back, feet together, and then we're gonna step left, right, left, right. All right, I'll show you it like this. Once we do the kick, we're gonna step left, backwards, step right, left, right. We're gonna be facing to the right when we do this. So once you kick, right, down, left, right, left, right. Let's put all those pieces back together. We just come down, here, turn, kick, bring it out, shimmy, shimmy, kick, right, left, right, left, right. So with the stepping motion, there's going to be hand movements as well. So once you just jumped, kicked, well, lost my balance. Once you do just the jump, kick, you're going to bring your right foot down. Once your left foot steps back, we're going to caress, like we're caressing your butt, 1, and then we come here. For this one, it's a little bit confusing on what they're doing. It seems like they're kind of just hitting it out, like so, with a little flick of the wrist at the end. All right? So we come here, right, left, right, left, right. And then I'm going to bring my left arm. We're going to end up, you're kind of like in this like crevice here of our elbow. Well, not elbow, but like of our arm. And then we're going to do a little no, no, and when we do the no, no, we're gonna lift our left leg up, be like this. So once we come here, we're gonna say goodbye. All right, when we do the goodbye, you're gonna have your good over your mouth, left hand over, and we're gonna say bye. Now, notice how I stepped with my left foot to the back. because our next movement, we're gonna do a little hit, like so. We're hitting, and we're gonna bring our left foot up. So let's recap that real quick from the very beginning. We come here, down, turn, here, and shimmy, shimmy, kick, right, left, right, no, good, bye. So now we just did the good, bye. We're going to hit, have your elbows, arms parallel to the ground. We're gonna hit to the left. We come here, and we're gonna step with our left in front. Then the right leg is gonna step out. So with your arms parallel to the ground, you're gonna hit to the left, and now that you're, so you're gonna hit to the left, and then your left foot's gonna come, like step in front, and then your right foot is going to come out to make your body parallel to, like facing the audience again. So shoulders width apart. And then from here, we're going to have like, bring your left arm across your body and your hips to the right. Now we're going to the left, all right? So right, left. And notice how my hips move along with it. So we just came from good, bye, and hit, step, right, left. Now from here, we're going to step over with our left. We're going to like taste something. So we're going to step, we're going to taste left and back. Notice how my right foot comes from the back to shoulders width apart here, and we're tasting with our right. So we came from hit and cross here, then we come taste. So after we go like taste like something sweet here, taste here, and then we're gonna say thank you. And so we're gonna have like a little gun pointer, 2 fingers. We're gonna go thank you, like we're kind of, I guess like, actually not more of a gun, kind of like a salute a little bit. So we're gonna lean, thank you. Now, when we do this, the next word, it says sorry. So we're gonna step with our right foot in front, and we're going to have your hip like this. You're gonna come out towards the audience and back in. So sorry, bring your hands together, sorry. So thank you, sorry. Now, when you're done with your sorry, you should be like back into this position, feet next to each other. And then it's like, and then you bring your right, like you're blowing, it's kind of like you're blowing a kiss. We come right, left. So you can kind of do a step like right, left, and feet back together. Let's call that part 1. Let's do a review over that. So I'll go through all the motions, explaining it, and then we'll move on to part 2. From the beginning, we come up, down to the chest, turn counterclockwise, kick up towards the audience, shimmy, shimmy, kick, right, left, right, no, and good, bye. Now we hit, and over here, we come tasty, sweet, thank you, sorry, and then do a little kiss, back. Alrighty, part 2 is going to be really short, so this will be quick. So once we do the little blow, we're going to come here. We're going to lean to the right hand on the hip. I'm doing Bomi's part. She goes, 대답해 줄래? And I want to do that. I'm going to say hi, kind of like a wave. And then it says, that's like the song title. We go, like jump, a little jump. Now I'm gonna switch hands. My left arm is going to be on my hip. Here, it's kind of like, a little like a baby, kind of like, and I'm going left, right. So, and then we're gonna do a little clap hit. And we're gonna do another small one while turning towards the right. And then we're gonna hit down, so like down to our, down, like on our thighs. And then we're gonna lift up our left leg up. And notice how my right arm, my right hand covers my mouth, my left hand is down. So we just come from here, high, and then we go, hit, and hit, down, up. You're gonna do this one more time. Okay, and then you're gonna kind of like walk, and then we're gonna do a second movement. Same thing, I'm going to do Naeun's part. She leans towards the left hand on hip, right hand up, like a no-no. 1, 2, and then we're gonna do the again, and hit. Now this time we're turning to the left, a little hit, and we're gonna do the same thing. Hands on our thighs. Now this time my left hand is covering up my lips, and then my right goes down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you walk it out. And I just do a little pose. So yeah, like I said, part 2 is really short. So let me go through part 2 real quick, and then we'll do a full review. And then we can go ahead and do 75% speed. Ready? We go to the right. Hello. Hit. Out. Down. Here. Down. Again. Walk. Out. Turn. Left. No. No. Here. And down. Hit. Down. Hit. Walk it out. And done. So, full review, let's go from the top. We come, hit, jump, down, turn, kick to the audience. 1, 2, kick, right, left, right, no, no, and goodbye, and hit, and right, left, come, taste, taste, thank you. Good. Sorry. And we're gonna blow, blow, and lean to the right. Holla. Hit. Circle. Down. Here. Hit. Here. Then we go to the left. No. No. Hit. And hit. Down. Cover. Hit. Cover, walk it, and pose. So that is it for the explanation part. If you guys want the music, go ahead and click right up there or in the description box below. Make sure you guys are following me on my social media sites. My Instagram dance cover is felicia.covers, and I will see you guys in the music section. Bye!